Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Power Automate with AI Builder step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Power Automate with AI Builder, start by signing into your Microsoft account. Navigate to the Power Automate homepage. Once there, look for the Create button located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Create button to begin setting up a new automation. Next, choose the type of flow you want to create. Select Instant Cloud Flow to build a flow that can be triggered manually. In the dialog box that appears, name your flow. Then, click on Manually Trigger a Flow and hit the Create button. You will now be taken to the Flow Designer. On the Designer screen, click on the New Step button to add an action. In the Action search box, type AI Builder to find AI-related actions. Select the AI model you want to use from the available options. Once selected, configure the required parameters specific to that AI model. After defining the parameters, click on Next Step to add additional actions if needed. You may integrate various connectors to enrich your flow. Review the steps you have configured in your flow for any necessary adjustments. Once you are satisfied with the setup, click the Save button to store your automation. You can test the flow by clicking on the Test button in the upper right corner. Follow the prompts to manually trigger your flow and observe its performance. If everything functions as expected, you have successfully activated Microsoft Power Automate with AI Builder. You can now use this automation to streamline your tasks or integrate AI capabilities into your processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.